Hi everybody, this is just to give you an overview of how this website works. I've just logged in and I want to upload something. So I would go to the page that I'm interested in. Let's say I want to upload a recipe. I click here and you'll always see a box up at the top right saying add a new item in this category. So I click this. So an item is just something with a title. So I'll say paella. Maybe Francesca will put this on one day. So apart from the title, the only other thing I have to do is save it. But of course, usually I would write the recipe first. You can ignore all these boxes in the middle. You don't need to look at them. But to type something, you come down here. So I'll say, let's have the ingredients. Well, we'll have rice and probably saffron and a few veg. And then method. And you can format these. You can make this bold and this bold. But when you've finished, the important thing is to come back to where the add item thing was and save it. So I click save and I get a message saying the item's been saved, and then I come back here and click on this cross to close it. And the item doesn't appear at first because you have to refresh the page. So if you just click on the same menu again, then your recipe will appear. And you can only see the first part of it in this screen. So if you want to read the whole thing, you just click on the title, paella, and then you would be able to read the whole thing. And you could also leave a comment if you want underneath it. Somebody else might read it and try it and say, this is delicious. And then when you've written your comment, you come down and click submit comment. And it tells you that it's added. So that will appear now underneath the item, in this case recipe. So the same thing applies to photos. If you want to upload some photos, you go to the right page. This is 2013. I would click add a new item. And let's say I put afternoons is my title, and I've got a few photographs of the afternoon. So I'm not going to type anything here. I could if I wanted to, but I just want to put the photos on. And if it's just one photo, you could use this. But if you've got a few, it's better to use the image gallery. So you click on create a new image gallery, and it will ask you to add images. And you can drag them on here from your desktop, or I prefer to click add files. Click on the first one and then control and click on the others, and you'll see they're highlighted in blue, and then you'll see the list of them. And to actually upload them, you need to click start upload, and it tells you how it's going here. Uploaded 1, and when it's finished, we'll see uploaded 3 of 3 here, and so I can close this. So I can give a title to the images here if I want, like massage, afternoons, mushrooms, and then save the gallery. I've got 2 things to save, that's why there's 2 crosses here. I save the gallery, and it tells me that's okay, and then I close the gallery, and then I have to go all the way to the top where I put my item title and save that as well. And it tells me item saved, so I can now close this. And then of course I need to refresh the page so I can see it. And there's my image gallery. And if I click on these, they get larger, and you can go to the next one and so on. And that's basically items.